Hi everyone, please watch this. I asked the chatbot list the top 2 customers who placed the must order with the highest total price. Let me try another query. The new query is what product did Akash buy and its prices. Yeah, great. We got the response. Akash bought a laptop for 55,000 and the headphones for 2500. Hi, my name is Akash. Today I will show you how to build a powerful hybrid chatbot using LangGraph, Gemini, SQLite and Chroma Vector Database. All for free. I will explain step by step so you can build your own smart chatbot. Here, how it works. When you are typing question in a plain English language, our chatbot is linked with the database so it can fetch the most relevant answer from number of tables automatically. Now, let me try some another question which is related to data science. What is data science and its uses? Yeah, we got the responses about data science and its uses. Now, I will show you a step by step code so that you can create your own chatbot for your use cases. Let's start with database. We created 4 tables in SQLite, that is request product table, customer table, product table, and request table. I have inserted some dummy data in request table, in customer table, and in product table, as well as request product table. Now, let me run some query on that so we can verify that our SQL database is working fine or not. Let me run the code. Yeah, you could see here some information are there from the SQL database. Now, let me come into the vector database. I will be storing these documents into the form of embeddings into the Chroma vector database. Now, I had inserted my embeddings, metadata, ID, text into the Chroma database. And then after, let me run this code as well. Now I will show the brain of our chatbot is a state graph. It has 3 main nodes. Let me show you. That has intent node detects if the user question is about database or data science or both. And there is one more node, that is tool node. It will call the right tool, either SQL query for database or retriever for AI knowledge. Now, and also you could see here, there is one more node, that is for generate response node. It will refine the answer and remove any tool specific outputs before sending it to the user. Now, let me explain the tools we define by @tool. Let me show you. Yeah, this is SQL query tool. It will fetch answer from SQLite in natural language using SQLDatabase Toolkit, which is from LangChain, for fetching the most relevant answer from the SQLite table. One more tool, that is retriever. It fetches context from Chroma vector database. And this check intent is a tool which will classify the intent of the user according to the user query. Now, I had created a shared state, which is chatbot state, and it will be storing messages, intent, SQL result, retriever results. Here we could see I had created a graph, added the node intent node, then after tool node, then after there is one more node, that is generate response node. Now I had defined the edges starting from to intent node, then after intent node to tool node, and tool node is connected with generate response node, and generate response node is the end point of our graph. And I had compiled our graph. Let me run this entire code. Now I am using Gradio for creating the interface for our chatbot. Let me run this. You will be getting a link. Our Gradio URI is open now. Let me try on some messages. What is data science? And you could see here we got the responses within a second from our chatbot. In this way, we can create a hybrid chatbot which is connected with database, which will be connected with vector database as well. And whenever you are putting any query in the natural language, it will be trying to find the intent of that user query, and then after fetching from databases. So if you want me to dive deeper into the SQL database toolkit or Chroma embeddings, please comment below. So I will create a detailed tutorial on them. Thank you for watching this video.